I'm Sabrine with BC Liquor. November's cocktail of the month is a rum and eggnog. Of course, the key ingredient to rum and eggnog is rum, and let's use some BC fresh eggs. This cocktail is for 2 people, so make sure you have a large mixing tin or bowl. If you're using a bowl, you might want to use a hand blender as well. So 2 eggs right into our tin, the whole thing. Of course, to add that rich creaminess to an eggnog, you want some milk and some whipping cream. We're going to add 6 ounces of whole milk, or 180 milliliters, and we're going to add whipping cream for 8 ounces, 240 milliliters. Next, we want to make sure we prep our glass with a nice sugar rim. I'm going to use a lemon to dampen the top and just dip it into some brown sugar. Feel free to change it. You can use a lemon, you can use water. You can also change a different type of sugar, maybe use a cinnamon sugar if that's your thing. Next, of course, the key ingredient, 2 ounces or 60 mils of your favorite rum. I like to use dark rum. I find it adds nice, rich caramel notes, great for the holidays. It's the holidays, it's time to get festive. I'm gonna add 2 ounces of brandy as well. You wanna make your eggnog more fancy, feel free to change it to a cognac, or you can use different styles of rum from different countries. They're gonna give you different flavor profiles. Now, because this is quite rich with lots of egg and cream, we're going to dry shake. So we're gonna shake without ice first, just to kind of break everything up and emulsify it. All right. Now, of course, I like my eggnog cold. We're gonna add a few ice cubes, give it a little shake to cool it down, and also just bring down that alcohol a little bit. Now, if you're using a bowl because you don't have a large enough shaker at home, use a hand blender and just pop your eggnog in the fridge before you serve it. All right. That is a whole lot of eggnog. This is a recipe for 2 people. Make sure you have 2 glasses ready and a friend nearby to share. Pour it into your glass. You can serve it with or without ice. Look at that beautiful texture. I like to garnish my eggnog with fresh nutmeg. Grab a nice little microplane, some fresh nutmeg, and just lightly grate it over top. Adds beautiful aromatics, and it makes for a very cute garnish. And there we have it, a classic homemade rum and eggnog. Head over to your local BC Liquor to pick up all your spirited ingredients.